Hello, this is Gio. Hey, many of you have been enjoying the new Disney Plus service. It has tons and tons of content. It has Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, etc. But there has been some questions about how to make a Disney Plus profile so that, let's say, yourself, your spouse, or your kids can have individual profiles with different unique content. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Okay, so we're going to be doing this today on both the television app, TV Plus television app, and also on the computer. They are similar but slightly different. You can also watch Disney Plus on your iPhone or smart tablet, etc. So this is the introduction screen, and the top is just kind of a scroll of, let's say, highlighted programs that Disney wants to show. And so what you want to do first is just to kind of drop down below that to these kind of, Disney, Pixar, etc. And when you do that, you will see a little bar on your left side. And you can just scroll to it and it will enlarge just like that. And you'll see a search, home, watch list, etc. And so you want to go to the upper left hand corner, and here you can see a little Hulk icon with Dad on it. But when you start out with Disney Plus, you may just see a generic plus icon up there. So you're just going to go up there and you're going to hit it. And so this is the profiles that are already made on my system. There's 4 of them. You can have up to 7 profiles. You could watch Disney Plus on up to 4 different devices, either a TV or a computer, etc. But you can make up to 7 profiles. And to make a profile, if you just started out, you're just going to see one little plus like that. You're not going to see the rest of these icons. So you're going to go to the plus icon, add profile, and you're going to just select that. And now you're going to have a whole bunch of little, I guess they're called avatars, icons that you could select from. And you can just, select from any of these depending on which one you want. And so let's just go down here and select this one. We'll select that and you'll see this. And now you're going to have a couple of options. One of them is add profile name. And then, so we're going to hit the profile name. And we're just going to add a name. Now this can be whatever you want, dad, mom, son, etc. We're just going to put, well, of course, Geo. So G-E-O. And then we're going to scroll on the side here and hit done. If you do make a mistake, you could always go back and then kind of correct what you've done. And you can clear the whole thing, etc. So we're just going to go down and hit done. Now the next option is profile icon. Again, you could, if you change your mind about the icon you want, you can always go back and just, let's just hit Darth Vader now, and then that one appears. Now below that one is the kids profile. If you're an adult, you may want to keep this off. If you are setting this up for your child, you may want to actually turn this on. And so if it's on, it will not show some of the more adult content that's on Disney Plus, maybe some of the more Marvel or Star Wars, which has a lot of violence, etc. And so we'll just go ahead and turn that on for now. And then you're just going to go to the right and hit done, and your icon should be there, Geo. And so when you, from now on, once you turn on the TV icon, the first display should probably be this screen. So you could choose which icon you want. If this doesn't show up, then you want to go to the left on the main screen and then select which icon you want. So we're going to go to Geo again. We're going to hit Geo, and here you go. That is the new screen for that profile. Again, if you want to select a different profile, you just go to the left, go to the top, you hit that, and you're back into so the profile icon did move, but that's fine. So we'll go back to the Geo, and the main purpose for the profiles is this. If you go to the left again, the watch list. This is great. So I just made this profile, so there's no content in this list, but we're going to go back to home here, and let's just go down to let's say Frozen. We hit that one, and before we watch it, you'll see a little play button up here, right there to the left, but right next to it is plus. And so to add this to your watch list, you just go hit here and you hit the plus, and it makes it into a check mark, and then you can go back, and then when you go back to your watch list, Frozen's right there. And so that is how you kind of save your content and make this a unique profile. Okay, so here we are on the computer, and you can see it's very similar. The programming they want to display is up on top. You get the Disney, Pixar, etc. But essentially everything is identical to the TV app, except the menu bar is on the top and not on the left. And right over here on your upper right, you see the icon profile. And here you could just kind of put your mouse or cursor over, and it just kind of shows all the profiles. So you can just select which one you want. To add one, you just go down to Add Profile. You click there. You choose which little avatar icon you want. Let's go ahead and do Darth Vader again. We'll type in Big Old Geo. Here's the kids profile. You can turn that on or off there, and then we'll just hit Save. And there you go. There's the Geo icon there, and then again, let's go ahead and save Sound of Music, and then again, it just looks the same way. You could just hit plus right there, and this will put it back in. Go ahead, back home, and then you could hit Watch List, and you can see Sound of Music right there. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you enjoy Disney Plus. It's a great new new content, everything. I'll see you next time.